Discover Vietnam's irresistible cuisine, a feast for the senses that travelers can't resist. Get ready to explore flavors that will leave you craving more. Start with pho, Vietnam's most beloved dish. A flavorful broth simmered for hours, tender beef, and fresh rice noodles, an unforgettable taste of Vietnam in every bite. Next, try Banh Mi, Vietnam's iconic sandwich. Crispy French baguette filled with savory meats, tangy pickles, and fresh herbs, creating the perfect harmony of flavors. For something light and refreshing, try Goi Cuon, fresh spring rolls filled with shrimp, pork, and herbs, all wrapped in rice paper and served with a savory peanut sauce. In Hanoi, you can't miss Bun Cha. Grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a tangy dipping sauce. It's a northern specialty you'll love. In Hoi An, try Cao Lau. This unique noodle dish blends Chinese, Japanese, and Vietnamese influences. It's a must-try when exploring the ancient town. For seafood lovers, Vietnam's coastline offers a bounty of fresh catches. From grilled lobsters to steamed clams, the flavors of the sea are best enjoyed right by the beach. Vietnam's street food scene is a must for foodies. Try sizzling Bun Xeo or enjoy Cơm Tom. Every corner of Vietnam has a new flavor waiting for you. End your culinary journey with a taste of Vietnamese coffee, rich, sweet, and unforgettable. Try Café Sua Da or indulge in Hanoi's famous egg coffee. Vietnam's cuisine is a delicious adventure waiting to be explored. Ready to savor it all? Start planning your trip to Vietnam today.